Okay, traders, these are the trades I posted into our Forex trade ideas. This is specifically for those of you wanting to pass prop firm challenges trading manually. There were 4 posted yesterday, CAD, Swissy, and we'll go through and have a look and see how they turned out. So look for the red alert on the 5-minute chart was the note here on the CAD Swiss. So let's just go over and have a quick look at the outcome. Yeah, there's the red alert there. That happened after London Open here. So this was through the London session. So we're looking for this momentum sink alert, the red one, after the session open. Actually, I've got these highlighted in yellow, but let's go back over here and have a look. CAD Swiss. The next one was wait for the session to open. That was the note here. Dollar yen, possible buy opportunity on a pullback. So the dollar yen. Oh, just before we go there, we get both signals. We get an entry signal and we get a signal here to take profit or close. So once you enter the trade, you've just got to set the alert on the extreme confluence to give you that. And then you'll know when to exit the trade. CAD Swissy. I actually missed this one. I ended up going to bed a bit early and didn't catch that one, unfortunately. CAD Swiss. Yeah, the next one was the dollar yen. So this was the opportunity here, looking for the pullback and green alert. Possible buy opportunity on a pullback. Dollar yen. There it is. Yeah. Point of interest was pulling back down into, I've got a Fibonacci down in here and I've got this white line as a POI. So we got a pullback alert and then a buy. We got a pullback and then a buy alert right there. That was quite a nice outcome if you caught that trade. Again, signals to exit these dots. Aussie yen was the next one. Okay, possible buy opportunity on a pullback, and then on this one, wait for these candles to turn red then green on the 5-minute chart. Actually, the dollar Swissy, I would usually look for the candles to turn red and green. They didn't turn red, so I actually missed out on that trade, unfortunately. The Aussie yen, okay, having a look at wait for the candles to turn red and then green. So this was into the New York session. This is my bedtime then, but some of you guys will be trading New York. So the thing was wait for the candles to turn red and then look for the green signal. And of course, we're looking for that momentum sink to kick in. So that was the opportunity for the Aussie yen. Aussie CAD was the next one. Possible buy opportunity on a pullback. Wait for the candles to turn red, then green, or go on the green alert. There's the instructions. So that was the Aussie CAD. Looking at the Aussie CAD. All right, candles turn red. We've got a couple of green alerts here heading into the Asian session open and a really aggressive spike under. This could be a stop run. Now we're starting to see some green alerts kicking in here. So there could be an opportunity through the Asian session with this one. Okay, guys, so that was yesterday's, these trade ideas here. These have been stacking up really well consistently. And this is the video just explaining this channel. And look, the idea with this is just to set the alerts and wait for the alert. And you can set the alerts to go off on your TradingView app on your phone. And they're really specific. So when they go off, just jump straight in and take the opportunity. So yeah, I mean, we'll be doing this on a daily basis. These have been really successful. Okay, guys, I'll just wrap it up. We're heading into the Asia Open, so I want to do a mentorship video. We're going to look for some opportunities, and I'll place some more of these ideas into here as well. Okay, with that, have a great day. And if you haven't joined already, guys, jump in on the 14-day free trial. The link is on my website, anthonyfx.com.